Hey everyone, welcome to Jayflair. On this channel, I share fashion tips, pattern drafting tutorials, sewing tutorials, and everything fashion. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make this camisole or inner wear or underwear that can be worn on underneath a Bubu lace transparent dress or kaftan dress. So hit the notification bell and subscribe button if you've not done that already so you don't miss out on our latest content. So let's dive right into the tutorial. To make this dress, I have my tools and my fabric. Um, I have my pattern master, my measuring tape, my scissors, and my ruler and chalk. And then I also have my fabric here. This is a Spanish satin or Duchess satin. And this satin is I have 2 yards, complete 2 yards. That's what I'll be using for this tutorial. The person is very tall, so I'm going to be exhausting the full 2 yards of this fabric. So it's a very simple process. Let's dive right into it. My fabric has been folded into four. I'll be cutting the front and the back together, and I'm also marking directly on my fabric. So I'm starting by marking the starting line. So I just came down by ½ inch from the top of my fabric here. And then I'm going to rule a straight line. And this becomes the starting point for all measurements, okay? The first thing will be to mark that's half of my shoulder measurement. Whatever your shoulder measurement is divided by 2. And that's what I just took here. And then I'm also going to be marking the vertical measurement. That's from the shoulder. So I just marked my shoulder to bust, shoulder to hip, and then shoulder to the full length of this camisole. That's exactly what I'm marking right now. And then I'm going to draw horizontal lines from these points. That's the shoulder to bust, the under bust, that's the shoulder to the hip, and then the full length of the camisole. Okay, so on the bust line, I'll also mark the shoulder divided by 2, then connect to the top of the fabric, and that is it right there. And then I went down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. So I took a neck width of 5 inches. So I decided to use 2 inches for my shoulder seam. Okay, I took a neck width of 5 inches and a shoulder seam of 2 inches, and then I went down by 5 inches. That's neck depth, 5 inches. Now you can't use your basic neck for this camisole because you don't want it coming out of the Bubu dress. But the depth and the width of the neck is dependent on the style of the Bubu. If the Bubu is a high neck Bubu, you can decide to use your basic neck. But for this, for the one I'm making, I want the Bubu, I want the neckline to go down a bit more. So that's exactly what I just did. So I'm just connecting. That's the side. That's the armhole area. So I'll just connect the shoulder slope to this point here to form my shoulder seam. So I have everything going out nicely. And then I divided by my bust by 6 plus 1 inch to get this point here. That's the armhole point. And on this point, I'll mark my bust circumference divided by 4. I have it there. Okay. So I'm just basically doing what I would have done on my pattern on the fabric so that it fits well, even though it's a loose fitting garment, but I don't want it to be out of shape. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So on the waistline, I'll mark my waist circumference divided by 4. There won't be that on this camisole, so I just marked only the measurement. And then on the hip line, I'm also going to mark my hip circumference divided by 4. And whatever I mark on the hip line, I'll mark on the full length of the camisole. Okay, so I have all my points marked out right now. The next thing will be to connect each of them. to form the side length. Okay, I'll just connect. Okay, so before connecting, I want to add my seam allowance. I'm adding 2 inches on the bust point, 2 inches. So I'm adding 2 inches all round as on all the lines, all the horizontal lines. Okay, 2 inches is the seam allowance I'm adding for this camisole, and I know it's okay. It's okay. 2 inches is fine. So I'm connecting all the points right now. Okay, so this is the armhole. Just connect to the chest span, and then I'll connect the sides with my long ruler. I have all the points connected to form the side seam, and then next thing will be to cut out, and this is what it looks like after cutting it out. Okay, at the M line I came out by 1 inch. That's from 10 inches from the M line of this camisole. I went up by 10 inches and I went out by 1, and this will be for the side slits. There will be opening at the sides. Okay, so to sew it, it's very easy. It's a very easy and fast process. I'll just join the front and the back on the shoulder seam, and then to finish the neckline for the front and the back, I'll be using my bias tape. I'll be using my bias tape to finish the neckline, and then I'll join all the sides up to this point where the slit is. Okay, I'll stop there, and then I'll finish the M line by turning it. I'll turn the M line, but I'll turn the slit first. I'll fold in the slits, and then the last thing I'll be doing will be to finish the M line. So it's as easy as that. Okay, so to turn the slits, this is exactly what I intend to do. I'll fold in half, then fold in 1 for each of the slits, and then I'll finish the M line. That's basically all I'll be doing for this Bubu dress. Okay, so at this point I have worked on all that I said I was going to do. I've worked on the neckline. Please, when sewing the bias tape on the neckline, be very careful so that it relaxes very well, and be ready to iron at every point so that it relaxes very well. Okay, so I've also finished the M line, and this is what it looks like. Our camisole is ready. So I'll just take it to my ironing table and give it a very good press so that everything relaxes very well. And this is the camisole on my mannequin, ready to be worn for any lace, Bubu outfit or kaftan. I like the neat finishing on this camisole. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with those you feel will benefit from it. And do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this, and let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.